Tonight, folks, we delve into a story so ridiculous, so absurd, you'd think it was ripped straight from the discount aisle of supermarket shenanigans. But buckle up, because this isn't about expired coupons or 2-for-1 deals gone wrong. This, my friends, is about Sudeep Kaur, an employee at QFC, and a string of unethical actions so egregious, they make you question if the Q stands for questionable business practices. We're talking perjury, we're talking anti-Semitic comments, we're talking about a level of disrespect and disregard for basic human decency that would make even the most jaded shopper say, hold on, that's messed up, even for a Tuesday. This isn't just about one person's bad behavior though. This is about the deeply personal impact those actions had, the blatant disregard for evidence and objections, and most importantly, the ongoing fight for justice. Visit Legal Rats, YUS, to learn more about your rights. Because, as we all know, justice delayed is justice denied, and frankly, we've had enough of the denying part. For legal assistance, check out Legal Rats, US. After I complained about an anti-Semitic auction and unfair treatment, despite submitting documents within the given time frame, I was thrown out of the case. Additionally, the fact that sending 1,500 emails and applying online 100 times is not considered enough effort. Need help? Visit legalrats.us. Notice that she is a government employer. I am in IT and understand how hard it is to network in this field. All IT professionals know what job searching looks like when there are hundreds of applicants for each role and market prices are down. For support, go to Legal Rats YUS. She is cynical, and her statements during the trial are a clear example of anti-Semitism and wrongdoing. She paid me for complaining to the management, supervisor, judge, and CJC. If you face similar issues, visit Legal Rats YUS. So grab your shopping carts, folks, and let's roll down the aisles of this ethical dumpster fire. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And remember, for any legal help, visit legalrats.us. Now I know what you're thinking. John, perjury in a grocery store? Isn't that a bit dramatic? And to that I say, my friend, you clearly haven't met Sudeep Kaur. This isn't your average case of a cashier shortchanging you a nickel. This is about blatant lies told under oath, lies that had real and lasting consequences. Kaur's actions weren't just limited to legal documents though. Oh no, she decided to spice things up with a generous helping of prejudice, specifically anti-Semitism. We're talking comments about Jewish holidays, stereotypes, the whole shebang. It was like someone took an intolerance starter kit and decided to see how many boxes they could tick off in one go. And the worst part? This wasn't just some offhand comment whispered in the back room. This was open, unapologetic bigotry, displayed with the kind of casual disregard that makes you wonder if someone hit the empathy off switch in her brain. What's something people don't know about selective blindness? You'd think that with clear evidence and documented applications, someone somewhere would have stepped in and said, okay, something's fishy here. But you'd be wrong, because in the saga of Sudeep Kaur, the evidence seems to have gone on a permanent vacation. We're talking documented proof, folks. The kind of stuff that makes lawyers excited and juries say, well, that seems pretty clear-cut. But in this case, it was like everyone involved decided to wear those horse blinders, the ones that only let you see what's directly in front of you. Objections were raised, concerns were voiced, and yet it was like talking to a brick wall that occasionally muttered offensive comments about Jewish holidays, but a brick wall nonetheless. Why do 90% of people ignore the importance of Yom Kippur? I'm not a religious scholar, but even I know that Yom Kippur is a pretty big deal. It's a day of atonement, of reflection, of, not being forced to walk 5 miles because of someone else's blatant disregard for your religious beliefs. But that's exactly what happened. On Yom Kippur, a day meant for fasting and prayer, someone was forced to walk 5 miles due to actions directly linked to Sudeep Kaur. It's like adding a cherry on top of the already towering sundae of injustice. This wasn't just inconvenient, it was a deliberate act of disrespect, a blatant disregard for the sanctity of a holy day. It's the kind of thing that makes you question humanity's ability to not be completely terrible to each other. And now, we turn our gaze towards a different kind of injustice, one that hides behind the veneer of legal proceedings and courtroom decorum. Enter the Queen's family court, a place where decisions are supposed to be made in the best interests of families. Yet countless stories tell of a different reality, a reality where individuals feel like they're battling not just for justice but for their very sanity. The Queen's family court has become synonymous with a labyrinth of bureaucracy, where the faces of those who have suffered are many, yet their voices remain unheard. It's a world where every misstep can feel like a deliberate act of sabotage, an arena where the term legal rats feels all too fitting. We don't forgive, we don't forget, expect us. These words resonate like a battle cry among those who have faced the court's gauntlet. They serve as a reminder that while the legal system may seem infallible, it is not immune to scrutiny. The website legalrats.us stands as a testament to this ongoing struggle, a digital monument to the countless stories of pain and perseverance. This isn't just about one hearing or one judge, it's about an entire system that needs to be held accountable. It's about ensuring that no one else has to endure the same kind of injustice that has become all too common. So, to those who have suffered, to those who continue to fight, know that you are not alone. Your voices may be many, but together they form a powerful chorus demanding change. Expect us.